The sizzle of a salmon, a departure from the typical proteins you associate with the holidays. While major meals are built around a turkey or holiday ham,
turnips, carrots.
Executive Chef Heather Metell says feasts can feature healthier choices.
We really want to stay plant-based in everything that we do. Meat, we want to have more of a garnish.
Metell and Viviane Swart, a wellness dietitian at Banner MD Anderson, follow guidelines from the American Institute for Cancer Research, which say at least 2/3 of your plate
Pomegranates
should be plant-based.
You can make vegetables a star of the meal. You don't just have to hide them, and you can still have a good holiday meal.
They hosted this cooking class at Banner MD Anderson Cancer Center, showing patients and caregivers ways to make meals that are on the lighter side in terms of calories, but still loaded with flavor from root vegetables like this fennel.
They have a lot of nutrients. They're very nutrient dense, really inexpensive. This time of year, it's winter. We can use a lot of them for a long period of time, and they're so versatile.
Cancer patients often have to follow specific diets while undergoing treatment, but Metell says these options are great for everyone to consider. Swart says it's common to gain a few pounds during the holidays, so it's not the best time to try to lose weight. Instead, she says you should focus on maintaining your current weight and not gaining.
We want to show people that healthy food can be part of the holiday meal and can also be delicious at the same time.
Patty Klaproth says that's how she eats now. She came to Banner MD Anderson in 2012 for skin cancer treatment and is now in remission.
I'm going to do anything I can to make myself better. I can't help it if that cancer comes back, but I can do anything I can do at this point to try to prevent it from coming back.
We talk about foods that are high in antioxidants. We talk about foods with cancer-fighting properties like green tea or blueberries, or pomegranate seeds are a really popular one around the holidays.
For pomegranate seeds, simply slice in half, dip in a bowl of water, and the seeds float to the top with a light scoop of the hand.
Without making a mess all over the place. We're using things like turmeric, which has curcumin in it, which helps to repel cancer cells.
From now until through the first of the year, if you can just maintain, you're doing real well.
And doing your body well, too. For Banner Health, I'm Jeff Stensland.